How to connect Instagram with Facebook. In order to do that, we need to head over right here to our profile page. Once you're on your profile page, just head over and click on these three lines right here, and then click on this account center that you can see right here on this screen. So just continue pressing that because in some cases the account center tends to not show up immediately. So just wait for that to load until it actually open up the account center right here. So let's click on it. Once it's entered, you just need to scroll down until you can see in here the accounts. Click on this accounts right here, and you will have the option to add more accounts. So as you can see right here, we only have this Instagram, and we also have in here this another Facebook. So if you want to connect your Facebook, you can click on this add accounts right here. And then this will open your Instagram on the browser. So just log in your Instagram. And then once you have connected your Instagram right here, you should be able to see all of the Facebook that you can actually connect. So the only Facebook that I can connect with this account is this Facebook right here. But once you have done that, you should be able to connect it properly. So that's how you connect Instagram with Facebook. Hope we help.